Thank you. We are Ananya and Angela coming to you live from Alaska. We are currently experiencing a severe blizzard in the area. A blizzard is a long-lasting snowstorm with very strong winds and intense snowfall.
It would have layers of frozen water. You can also expect leafless trees and cars buried in snow.
Have a disaster plan and prepare for the blizzard. You should have a first aid kit, emergency food supply, bottled water, a battery-operated radio, flashlight, and a blanket. Stay indoors and drink lots of water. If you must go outside, wear lots of layered clothing. Watch for signs of hypothermia and frostbite.
Avoid driving until conditions have improved and avoid overexertion. Heart attacks from shoveling snow are the leading cause of deaths during a blizzard.
Also check on neighbors to make sure they're okay.